So children, today we shall discuss about Muhammadiyya rebellion. Okay.
Results of BA. Firstly, right. And then
This Muhammadiyya rebellion, Muhammadiyya. Are you looking this? We shall discuss the causes of the Muhammadiyya rebellion, events of the Muhammadiyya rebellion, result of the rebellion, and finally we discuss Captain Wells' account of Assam. So this Muhammadiyya rebellion was a very important socio-economic and political episode in the history of Assam. Okay. असम का हिस्ट्री के लिए অসমৰ বুৰঞ্জীৰ কাৰণে মুৱামৰীয়া বিদ্ৰোহ আন্দোলন যে আছিলে এটো বহুত important. Okay. The rebellion that began during the reign of Swargadev Lakshmi Sinha continued to disturb the political and social life of Assam for a long time. Till the name of the Burmese invasion, this rebellion disrupted the reign of several kings. So let us now discuss this mass uprising. First, let us understand who were the Muhammadiyas. पहले हम लोग आते हैं मुआमरिया कौन था उस बारे में जानने के लिए. मुआमरिया लोग कौन था? Identity of the Muhammadiyas. Okay. मुआमरिया का पहचान. एटु माने मुआमरिया সকলৰ identity. It seems the word Muhammadiyya has originated from the word Mayamora. Muhammadiyya means Mayamora. Mayamora means what? Maya. Such type of people did not have any type of Maya. Okay. Mayamora was the name of a Vaishnava Satra. And now here, who was Mayamora? First thing is that Mayamora was the name of a Vaishnava Satra. It was within the Kal Sangati. Mayamara was within the Kal Sangati. Primarily, the people belonging to Moran tribe were the disciple of this Satra. The disciple of Moran tribe were mainly the participant of this Mayamara Satra. Okay. Apart from the Morans, this Satra gained great popularity among the various other tribes of Assam. Okay, like the Kochari, Sutia, Ahom, Koibarto, etc. A main reason for this popularity was that the Satradhikar means religious preceptor of this Satra belonged to the Sudra caste. Satradhikar belonged to Sudra caste. Sudra means Chota Jatka. They were Sudra. Okay. This Sudra. Understood? They were in the Mayamara Satra, which was run by Sudra Satradhikars, referred to as Mahanta. These people found a special dignity, and because of this, there was a surge in the number of disciples joining the Satra. Sudra Satradhikar होने के चलते क्या हो रहा था? Disciple means what? Chela belong to lower caste only. Okay. The increasing strength in the number of disciples and their unquestionable devotion to the Guru were factors that contributed to the rise in the power and position of not only the Satra but also the Mahanta. Okay, धीरे धीरे क्या होने लगा, शूद्र लोग इसमें शामिल होने लगा. As a result of that, the power of the Guru, strength of the Guru became very high. गुरु का ताकत बहुत बढ़ने लगा. Guru means what? He was the Satradhikar. Guru means Satradhikar, who possessed the position of Satradhikar. His power became, that means his power was increasing day by day. जैसे जैसे स्टूडेंट्स, डिसाइपल मीन्स स्टूडेंट बढ़ते गया, जने जने के स्टूडेंट्स बाढ़ी गई আছিল, ঠিক সেই ধৰণে সত্ৰাধিকাৰীৰ যিজন গুৰু আছিলে, সত্ৰাধিকাৰী তেওঁৰ শক্তিও লাহে লাহে কি হৈ আছিলে, বাঢ়ি গৈ আছিলে. Understood? All of you mute your mic, all of you. Then as a result of that, later on it was only natural that this rising power of the Satra led to the clash between the Ahom royal power. इसके चलते एक समय आया जब मोआमोरिया लोग अहोम पावर के साथ में भी क्लैश करने लगा. क्लैश मीन्स एक तरह का झगड़ा. बिकॉज now मोआमोरिया became very powerful. এতিয়া মোआमोरिया কি হৈ গল, বহুত শক্তিশালী হৈ গল, কাৰণ they had number of disciple, বহুত শিষ্য হৈ যোৱাৰ কাৰণে মোआमोरिया এতিয়া মোआमोरिया বহুত শক্তিশালী হৈ গৈছিলে, বহুত ताकतवर बन गया था. They became very powerful, and as a result of that, they wanted to compete against the Ahom king. And the result of this clash was the longest rebellion in the history of Assam. और यही जो क्लास था, और এই ক্লাসটো আহোম এণ্ড মোৱামৰীয়াৰ মাজত যে এই কাজিয়াটো হৈছে, এই কাজিয়াটোকে আমি অসমৰ বুৰঞ্জীত সবতকে দীঘল আন্দোলনৰ নাম দিব পাৰো. অসমৰ ভিতৰত মানে আহোম আৰু কাৰ ভিতৰত কাজিয়াটো হৈছিল, মোৱামৰীয়া. মোৱামৰীয়াৰ ভিতৰত আৰু মোৱামৰীয়া এণ্ড আহোমৰ মাজত এই কাজিয়াটো হৈছিল, কাৰণ মোৱামৰীয়া বহুত শক্তিশালী হৈ গৈছিল লাহে লাহে, আৰু তেওঁলোকে ভাবিব ধৰিলে যে তেওঁলোকে গোটেই অসমখন নিজৰ অধিকাৰত কৰি ল'ব, নিজৰ অকুপেশ্যনত কৰি ল'ম বুলি ভাবিছিলে. लोग सोचने लगे थे कि the whole Assam will be occupied by them. As a result of that, a clash rose between the Ahom and the Mayamora or Moa-Moria. This rebellion has been called a mass uprising. Okay, because the innumerable common people who took part in it were simple peasant and other professionals. এই কাৰণে এই আন্দোলনটোক মাছ আপৰাইজিং বুলি কোৱা হয়, কাৰণ কি ইয়াতে অসংখ্য মানুহ ভাগ লৈছিলে, যিবোৰ সাধাৰণ মানুহ আছিলে, খেতিয়ক আছিলে, আৰু সৰু সুৰা কাম কৰা মানুহ আছিলে, কোনবা মিস্ত্ৰী আছিলে, কোনবা কিবা সৰু সুৰা কাম. They were very small work professional. Okay. One thing that has become clear from the above discussion. Wait a minute, a call is coming. Rebellion was the longest rebellion. মই যেনেকে কলো, মোৱামৰীয়াৰ এই আন্দোলনটো দীঘলীয়া আন্দোলন আছিলে. So, beginning during the reign of Lakshmi Sinha. This rebellion began during the days of Lakshmi Sinha. This rebellion continued to shadow the political and social atmosphere of Assam for the next 35 years. আৰু next 35 বছৰলৈকে এই rebellionটো চলিছে. কাৰ মাজত? Between Moa-Moria and Ahom monarchy. Okay, it finally came to an end during the reign of Swargadeo কমলেশ্বৰ সিনহা আৰু এই ৰেবেলিয়নটো এতিয়া গৈ শেষ হ'ল আহোম ৰজা কন্দৰ্পেশ্বৰ সিনহাৰ শাসনকালত মোৱামৰীয়া ৰেবেলিয়নৰ অন্ত পৰিল okay they were called swargadev ahom kings were called swargadev okay a single opportunity to humiliate the mayamora mahanta once swargadev lakshmi sinha and kirti chandra went on a boat ride okay once swargadev lakshmi sinha and kirti chandra went on a boat ride তেওঁলোক দুইজন boat ride কৰি গৈ আছিল when they were passing by the mayamora satra আৰু সেই মুহূৰ্ততে যেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে মায়ামৰা সত্ৰৰ ওচৰেদি পাছ হৈ আছিল the মহন্ত paid respect to the king মহন্তই ৰজাক সন্মান জনালে by folding his hands in a namaskar okay মহন্তই নিজৰ হাত দুটা fold কৰি নমস্কাৰ কৰি সন্মান জনালে but he ignored কিন্তু ৰজাই কি কৰিলে ইগনোৰ কৰি দিলে মহন্তৰ এই সন্মানটোক তেওঁ ইগনোৰ কৰি দিলে ইগনোৰ কীৰ্তি চন্দ্ৰ his ego insulted আৰু তেওঁৰ এই ইগোটোৰ কাৰণে মহন্তক মানে महंतर आत्मसम्मानक लगे महंत का जो आत्मसम्मान होता है ना उसमें लगा महंत का द बरबरुआ used the choicest of verbal abuse to humiliate the mahanta and Barbarua abused him as a result of that Barbarua abused माने गाली पड़ा गाली देना उसे बहुत तरह का बातें सुनाया महंत को a few months after this two Moran disciple leaders of Mayamora Satra Nahor Khora Soikia and Ragha Moran went to the royal palace they went to the royal palace राज दरबार में पहुंचा who two Mayamora disciple Nahor Khora Soikia and Ragha Moran and then what happened to them with the annual tax they went to him with annual tax Raja annual tax দিব লগা হৈছিল সেই annual tax লৈ তেওঁলোকে ৰজাৰ royal palace লৈ গল a herd of elephants with a herd of elephants বহুত কেটা হাতীও লৈ গৈছিল बहुत सारा हाथी लेके गया था finding many faults in the elephant brought for him Kirti Chandra not only insulted the two men हाथी पर बहुत तरह का खराबी निकाला और कीर्ति चंद्र ने उन दोनों को बहुत इंसल्ट किया but also flogged Raghu and had Nahor Khora's ear cut off उतना ही नहीं किया बल्कि इमाने करा नाय राघा एंड नाहर दोनों का कान काट दिया उन लोगों ने ear cut off okay the injured and the insulted duo reached their guru dono two of them went on that position to their guru and sought permission for open revolt and so they sought permission अपने गुरु को बोला कि हम लोग राजा कीर्ति चंद्र के अगेंस्ट में रिवोल्ट करेंगे आंदोलन करेंगे इस तरह से हम लोगों का उन्होंने इंसल्ट किया राजा कीर्ति चंद्र তেওঁলোকক সেই ধৰণে ইনসাল্ট কৰিছে কান কাটি দিছে হাতী লৈ যোৱা খিনিতো বহুত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ কথা শুনাইছে সেই কাৰণে দুয়োজনে গৈ নিজৰ গুৰুক কলে যে আমাক আপুনি পাৰমিশন দিয়ক আমি ৰজা কীৰ্তি চন্দ্ৰৰ এগেইনষ্টত ৰিভল্ট কৰিম the mahanta himself burning inside felt this was the right time and gave a call to all the disciples for revolt against the monarchy महंत এই সময়ৰে সুযোগত আছিলে महंत जो था डिसाइपल गुरु वो भी सोच रहा था कि किस टाइम कैसा टाइम आएगा और टाइम जब मैं कीर्ति चंद्र अहोम किंग के खिलाफ आवाज उठा सकूंगा and he got this opportunity and so he called all his disciple महंत called all his disciple महंत ने अपने सभी गुरु को चेलों को बुलाया स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाया और अहोम किंग के खिलाफ आंदोलन करने के लिए बोला. But he also suggested that under no circumstances should the system of government be changed. This was the beginning of the Moamoria rebellion. लेकिन उसने बोला किसी भी तरह से गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए, बट दिस वाज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द मोआमोरिया रेबेलियन. ओके, so you understood, I think, here this is how Moamoria rebellion began because of this reason. Okay, we have already discussed about the reason, causes of Moamoria rebellion. This here it should be understood that in a medieval feudal state like ours, revolt and uprisings were not unnatural. हमारे देश के जैसा देश में रिवोल्ट होता है, अपराइजिंग होता है, those are not unnatural. As long as the reign of the Ahom monarchy was in the control of strong and powerful rulers like Pratap Sinha, Gadadhar Sinha, or Rudra Sinha, these very subjects, the satisfied, did not dare to revolt. But after Rudra Sinha, the position of the Ahom monarchy gradually began to decline. After Rudra Sinha के बाद में Ahom monarchy gradually began to decline. Decline means down होने लगा था Ahom monarchy. Ahom power जो था वो धीरे धीरे कम होने लगा था. A natural consequence of this decline of the monarchy was the advantage taken by many officials to establish their own power. This led to misgovernance and chaos, facilitating the Moamoria rebellion to raise its head, thus taking the Ahom monarchy one step closer to its fall. Okay, the events of the Moamoria rebellion. Now, Moamoria rebellion में क्या हुआ था? From the above discussion, we come to know that for many years the embers of discontent were simmering in the hearts of the Mohammedans. The ill treatment of Nahor Khora and Rogha by Kirti Chandra added fuel to fire. Ill treatment of Nahor Khora and Rogha. नाहर खोरा एंड रघुआ को जिस तरह से कीर्ति चंद्र ने इल ट्रीटमेंट किया, कान काट दिया, they were insulted. So this added fuel to the fire. इसने आग में और घी का काम किया. Okay. The Guru also feeling that this was the appropriate time. Guru ने भी सोचा कि this was the appropriate time to avenge the years of humiliation heaped upon Mayamora by the royal clan. Gave his consent to the wishes of his disciple. Thus began the first widespread mass uprising against the Ahom monarchy. And so, first revolt started by this way. The foremost objective of the Moamoryas was to end the Ahom rule. Foremost objective. सबसे पहला objective क्या था? What was the foremost objective? To end the Ahom rule. What? To end the Ahom rule. Towards the end of 1769, they collected around 7,000 soldiers and blew the bulk of rebellion. In the first instance, they neglected the Ahom. There is space difference. Neglected the Ahom king's authority and attacked the group that had gone into the forest. So, इस तरह से मतलब कि Moamoria, by this way, Moamoria rebellion took place. Collect timber. Another is that the Moran inhabited area to collect timber on behalf of the king. The king responded immediately by sending a force of 2,000 soldiers against them. When king's men went to forest for collecting timber, etc., on behalf of Fort King, at that time, they were attacked by Moamoria force. And king responded immediately by sending a force of 2,000 soldiers against them. The royal army had to court defeat in the battle, and by this, a rebel took place between Moamoryas and Ahom king. Then later, Swargadev Lakshmi Sinha dispatched a huge army of 14,000 soldiers to quell the rebellion. Okay, the commander of this force was Harnam, Baithual, Hukan, and this time also the rebels quickly defeated the royal army, and the commander was taken prisoner by the rebels. Then they crossed the Saraidev Hill and proceeded towards the capital. The king, along with his minister and officials, were preparing to flee to Guwahati when the rebels entered the capital and captured them all. King was also captured by Mohammadias. In this rebellion, Muamuriya defeated Ahom monarchy. The king was kept captive in the Joydol, and king was kept captive. He was kept captive, means he was made prisoner by Muamuriyas in Joydol, while Kirti Chandra and many others were imprisoned in the elephant stables. And Kirti Chandra, who was it is known as the Senapati, he was also captured and he was imprisoned in the elephant stables. So the Muamuriyas captured the Ahom capital. Then Muamuriyas captured the Ahom capital and established Nahor Khora's son Ramakanta or Ramananda on the throne. So I think you understood all this. Why Muamuriya rebellion took place. Raise hand, those who understood. You can raise hand. Good afternoon. Sit. What have you brought? Sweet. Not so. Keep. বসেন
সাথে নমস্কার দে
হবো ঠিক আছে হবো হবো wait a minute last নিতে আছে দাঁড়ান এখন you will again join me after 5 minutes. আর একটু পড়লে ভালো করতো আরো একটু যাই হোক হয়েছে আর
সেটা ও করতেছে
হুম
এক এক দুই দুই তিন মার্কে লেগে পাইলাম না কি করা যায়
হয় এমন এটাতে আর কথা না হবো এখন ফর্মটা মানতে দেন তারপরে কইও করে দেখা যাব এবার ইন্টারনেটে হবে এবার ডিজিটাল মার্কশিট গুলি পরে আইব এখন না মার্কশিট না হয়ে অ্যাডমিশনটা হয়ে যাব এবার তারপরে দেওয়ার পরে দিয়ে আইও হবো দেখেন বাকি তো দিলে হলো
প্রাইভেটে তো পড়াইতেই পারবো না
প্রাইভেটে তো খরচ আছে গরম আছে আজকে লাইনও নাই
লাইন নাই
নাই লাইন
ইন্টারনেট আসছিল আসলে
গেছে কি এখন আয় যায় মনে হতে আছে
ঠিক আছে তা আসি
আচ্ছা হবো না হয় আচ্ছা So the Muamuriya captured the Ahom king and his complete reign, and the Muamuriyas captured the Ahom capital and established Nahor Khora's son Ramananda as the king, and Ragha Moran became his Borborua. So all those Ahom officials who were guilty of ill-treating the Muamurias were killed, and all those जितने लोगों ने मुआमुरिया को बेइज्जती किया था उस टाइम में कान काट दिया था, देन और भी बहुत कुछ किया था ना, और सबको मार दिया गया. They all were killed. The Satras under royal patronage now began to feel the ire of the Muamurias. They compelled many people to become disciple of Mayamora Satra. उन लोगों ने बहुत सारे लोगों को disciple बना दिया Mayamora का, and many such atrocities soon made the Muamurias extremely unpopular among the common subject. The supporters of the Ahom rule took advantage of this situation. Within 5 months, the Muamuria began to fight among themselves for power. And this situation was fully utilized by the pro-Ahom group, who took the help of the Manipuri princess, Kurangani, to kill one of the main leaders of the Muamuria, Ragha Moran. And then one Manipuri princess, Manipuri राजकुमारी ने मुआमुरिया के खिलाफ आवाज उठाया और उसने फिर मुआमुरिया के जो मेन लीडर था रघा मोरान को मार देने में कामयाब हो सके. Then the other Muamuria officials along with Ramakanta were murdered and the capital was restored, and then they restored the capital. Lakshmi Sinha was brought out from the Jaidol and reseated on the throne. Lakshmi Sinha was brought from Jaidol, where he was captured by Muamurias, and Lakshmi Sinha was again reseated on the throne. उसे दोबारा राजा बना दिया गया. In this way, the first phase of the Muamuria rebellion came to an end. Okay, and then the second phase. After the first phase of the Muamuria rebellion, the members of discontent continued simmering. This discontent was fueled once again by the inhuman activities of Lakshmi Sinha. Fed up with the royal atrocities, the Muamuria once again conspired to kill the king during the reign of Lakshmi Sinha, son Korinath Sinha, at a convenient we have less time now. So till here I taught you, because this PDF file is not sent to me clearly. So till here first phase we discussed. Okay, till here we completed. From till here a few questions can be made. So you take out your copy, all of you. Here I am writing question also. You write down, telling you question. Take out your copy and write down the question so that you will solve those questions and show me. What do you know about? What do you know about Muamuria rebellion? This Muamuria rebellion. Next question is, what were the main causes of Muamuria rebellion? First question is, what do you know about Muamuria rebellion? Next question is, what were the main causes of the Muamuria rebellion? Here is the answer is here.
Sir, will you repeat question number 2?
What were the main causes of the Moamoria rebellion? These two are the long questions. We will solve later. You have to write down in your own language. Because of this, send me PDF file again, page wise, okay? This is not serial wise, getting much problem here. So one of you send me the same lesson in PDF format again, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I am winding up the class now because there is problem rising. Okay.